Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you something really cool. Imagine having a friend who knows everything about building SaaS applications and you can just create it by talking to them. That's what Vade AI does. Let me start by creating a new application. As soon as we click here, we are going to land on this mockup screen. And this is where the magic happens. This is Vade Aux tool. And based on the component selected, it suggests us what kind of actions can be taken for that particular component. So here it is suggesting us I can add a header section, I can add a hero section, I can add a footer section and a content section. Now, as I've added them here, I can just select it and make the changes I want. Let me duplicate these feature sections and then I can just come here and maybe center align it, make it extra bold, and you can move them around as well. So let me just select this component and drag it here. Yeah, so this is done. And now what about creating something from scratch, something totally new? Let me delete whatever we have done and grab our prompt for creating a landing page. So we are asking it to create a landing page for a SaaS application that schedules content for social media platforms. Let's see what it does. So for page component, it has given us these 5 actions. I can add a hero section. Quite interesting result. Really good result. Add a features grid, add a social proof, add CTA section, and add a footer. And as you can see, really nice results from the AI itself. Totally new. And now, suppose this styling is not correct. So I can just come here and maybe make it center. So, okay, that is done. Let me just go to the parent of this. So this is a stack. I can select the parent and maybe change some styling here and there. Okay, this is totally fine. And I can come here and do some more style changing and everything. And then I can just come here for this component. So these are the grid item. I can just duplicate more and more. Yeah. So as you can see, it has created a landing page from scratch and quite a good starting point. We are currently working on making it much better, much faster, so that you can interact with it at any level possible. As you can see, so on stack, it is giving you different set of actions which can be taken. So add a vertical spacing or center align stack items. Add a cart layout. Okay, add a call to action. Oh, perfect. So in within this particular card, if I added call to action, so this is what it is saying. You guys understand. So what kind of things are possible with this? Now let me try something totally new. Let me remove whatever we have created. Let me add a new prompt for creating a portfolio website. So we are asking it to create a website for a full stack developer who is good in UI development, backend development, and infrastructure development. He has worked with Kubernetes and delivered applications to millions of users. Let's see what it does. So let's see what kind of hero section it has created. Full stack developer, DevOps expert. Perfect. Project section, skill section, and contact section. Really nice, really nice. And technical skills, Kubernetes, Node.js, React, AWS. Let's work together on that. Perfect. Really nice. So this is how our Vade Aux tool works. That you can give it a prompt, it goes to the AI and generates the UI all within one workspace. Now the next part would be this is our UI screen where the Vade AI is integrated correctly. Now here, this second panel is our integration space. What you can do, you can just bring in any third-party integration in future database integrations, and you can bring it here, integrate those, and authorize those. And Vade AI is going to help you do that in much faster way. even if you don't even if you don't have a understanding that how the API integration works. And once that is done, what you can do, you can create the workflows, the business workflows using combining those API logics or integrating these API visualization APIs, all these utility nodes which would be there. And the final part would be a deployment. This is our deployment part where you can just click here and your application will be deployed and hosted into a secure infrastructure. So that's the overall idea of Vade AI, and a lot of work to do. Let's get to it.